Yeah, welcome back. Today we'll be solving this problem. As you can see, an exponential equation. If you're excited to solve with me, let's go. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay, if you remember the first law of indices, it says if you have a raised to the power m multiplied by a raised to the power n, that gives you a raised to the power m plus n. So you can reverse this to give you this. So here we have 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1. So following this rule, plus 2 raised to the power x divided by 2 raised to the power 1, following the division law, equal to 5. So 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. So we have 2 raised to the power x multiplied by 2 raised to the power 1, which is 2, plus 2 raised to the power x divided by 2, equal 5. So 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power x, that's 2 multiplied by 2 raised to the power x, plus half multiplied by 2 raised to the power x, equal 5. So to take off this half, we can multiply throughout by 2, so that this half can go away. So multiply so we have 2 multiplied by 2, we have 4 into 2 raised to the power x, plus 2 multiplied by half, that's 1. So 1 into 2 raised to the power x equal to 2 multiplied by 5, that's 10. Okay, so if you look at this, they're exactly the same, so we can add them. So 4 of this plus 1 of it. So we have 5 of 2 raised to the power x equal to 10. So let's go up. So 5 into 2 raised to the power x equal 10. Yeah, that's what we have from here. So we can divide both sides by 5. So that 2 raised to the power x equal to 2. So 2 raised to the power x equal to 2 raised to the power 1. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. So since the bases are the same, we can equate the powers. So if we equate the powers, we have x equal to 1. Yeah, so that's a simple exponential equation that we solved. So subscribe to this channel to keep getting interesting solutions to mathematical problems.